Hey everyone, welcome back to Stock Solo. In today's video we're diving into episode 10 of how you can grow your wealth by investing just $100 a week in the stock market. This series will show you how consistent small investments can add up over time. Hit that subscribe button, let's get into this weekly update. Here's a link to the playlist at the top of your screen if you want to watch the whole journey. Today was a great day in the stock market. Today specifically we're up $32 on the account. As you guys can see, every single stock or ETF that we are invested in is up for the day. The ones leading the charge are Micron Technology up $8.50, QQQ up $5.27, SPY up $3.20, SCHG up $3.10, and BOTS up 3.18. We're continuing to see a good comeback from Micron Technology. I'm starting to think that I was right at the beginning of the series whenever I said that it would be a larger growth this year. During the beginning of the series, it wasn't so much on that track. It was just dropping every single week I made a video, but now it's finally up. The biggest thing driving this forward is a change in the tariffs between the US and China. Trump has made a deal with China to reduce our tariffs for a 90-day period in order to figure out what we want our final tariff structure to look like. But for now, our tariffs are down 115 percentage points on both sides. So all the US companies that produce in China are getting gigantic cuts on imports, and because of that, their stock is rising. The actual numbers are a 30% tariff on imports coming into the US and a 10% tariff on imports going into China, which is dramatically lower from what we were seeing before. It was hundreds of percents, and now we're down to about what the global average is close to. Today we're going to be investing $33 in these three stocks, $34 in QQQ. The main reason I chose these three on my portfolio was the iSpy and Micron Technology have very low 52-week averages, so we could see the high side of that given the next 6 months to a year. Not to mention, Micron Technology has been coming back very strongly. It was down to below $70 a share, now it's already up to $93 a share. I want to reinvest in QQQ specifically because it's one of the most well-known ETFs that almost always sees gains. Lots of people are invested in QQQ. So we'll go ahead and buy the $34 in QQQ. And the 33 in iSpy. And finally 33 in Micron Technology. I do have a couple videos in the works if you guys are interested. One is going to be a breakdown of general budgeting, what you should do with your paycheck the moment it comes in. And the second video I'm going to make is going to be a full breakdown on everything you can do on Fidelity. Every tab you can open, every statistic you can look at, all of the ways you can reinvest your dividends or invest in companies automatically, set up portfolios to do that. If you guys are interested on learning about almost everything you can do on Fidelity, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can see that video when it comes out. Both of these videos should be out within the next 2 weeks to a month. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated on my investing journey, and let me know in the comments what stocks you think I should add to my portfolio next week. These next 90 days seem to be like a large room for growth, so if you guys have any big suggestions, I'd love to get into it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.